friend called to tell me that she wasn't feeling very well, so I wanted to make her a pot of soup before I hit the shower. I'll be seeing her for lunch. I'm taking the recipe from the Epic Vegan Instant Pot Cooking book by Derek and Hannah Howlett. I believe this is out of print and only available in PDF. I'm not 100% sure. But the recipe that I'm using is for the split 'em up pea soup. I will post the recipe below. Instead of using the green split peas, I'm going to be using whole yellow peas. These are really super healthy for you. They pack more nutritional punch than any of the other legumes. So in my pot here, I have some red onion, I've got my yellow peas, I've got carrots, I've got garlic, I've got white pepper because I don't want to have black flecks in my soup, and I've also got some veggie broth. I'm going to put this on for 18 minutes in my Instant Pot. If you don't have an Instant Pot, it's one of the best kitchen appliances that I own. It's on no seal, so you turn this to the back, no seal. And then I'm going to go manual 18, and then it's going to do its magic. This should be ready in about 18 minutes, like it says. And I'll show you how I go from there, and I'll have this at her house by 12 o'clock today. Thanks for watching. My name's Jill. Have a great day.